What's up guys, Mark with Under Pressure Power Wash. So let's check out the results of the test on each side here. We got 4,000 PSI, 4 gallon a minute. Over here with the burn test, it was a failure. With the cleaning test, it's also a fail. You can see the fraying of the wood and some swirl marks in there. Alright, let's take a look at the 3,000 PSI, 8 gallon a minute. Alright, with the burning test, it passed with flying colors. With the cleaning test, it passed with flying colors. Alright, so pressure is not better. Alright, it's all about flow. Okay, so if you need training, give us a call today, 561-907-9541. As for homeowners and business owners, hire a company that has license and insurance. Call us today. Under Pressure Power Wash, 561-907-9541. We got 20 years experience in this. There's no damage on the property, and guaranteed quality work. Give us a call today. Y'all have a good one.